Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Daily Hub. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. We are starting a new journey together, a journey to learn English.
And I'm George. It's good to be here, Anna. To all our listeners, thank you for joining us. We are excited to help you learn English, step by step, in a very easy way.
Yes, our goal is to make learning English simple and fun for everyone. No matter if you are just starting or if you want to get better, we are here for you. Today, George, we want to talk about something very important. Many people want to learn English, but they don't know how to start. Or maybe they feel it's too hard, or they get confused. So today, we will talk about the first step to learning English, the very basic start.
That's right, Anna. English is a very useful language. Think about it. It helps you talk to people from many countries around the world. You can make new friends. It helps you find new information on the internet, like news or interesting facts. And it can help you with your job or studies, opening many new chances for you.
Yes, English opens many doors. It's like a key to a bigger world. But where do we begin? It can feel like a big mountain to climb. What is the very first thing a new learner should do? What is the easiest way to start?
The first step is simple. Start with listening. Listen to English every day. You don't need to understand every single word at first. Just listen to the sounds. Listen to how people speak. This helps your ears get used to English. It's like when a baby learns to speak. They listen first, right?
So, just listen? Like music or simple stories? Can you give us some examples of what to listen to? Exactly. You can listen to English songs. Choose songs with simple words that you like. You can watch short English cartoons or children's videos. They often use easy words and clear speaking. You can also listen to our podcast. We will speak slowly and clearly for you. The more you listen, the more natural English will feel to your ears and your brain. That makes a lot of sense. So, listening first to get our ears ready. What about speaking? Many people are scared to speak English. They worry about making mistakes. How can we help them? It's very normal to be scared. Many people feel this way. But the second step is to speak a little bit every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. It's part of learning. Just try to say simple words or short sentences. The important thing is to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's a very important message. I love that. So, how can someone practice speaking if they are alone? Not everyone has a friend to talk to in English.
You can speak to yourself. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. Describe what you see around you in English. For example, I see a blue chair, or the sky is bright today. Or repeat words you hear from songs or videos. Try to copy the sound. You can also record your voice and listen to it. This helps you hear yourself. If you can, find a friend or a language partner online to practice with. Even a few minutes a day helps a lot to build your confidence.
That's a great idea. Speaking to yourself. I will try that. What about new words? English has so many words. How can we learn new words easily and remember them?
For new words, the third step is to learn words in groups. Don't just learn one word by itself. Learn words that go together, like a small family of words. For example, instead of just apple, learn red apple, eat an apple, apple juice, apple tree. This helps you understand how to use words in real sentences. It makes learning faster and more useful.
Learning words in groups. That's very smart. So it's not just knowing the word, but knowing how to use it in a sentence? Can you give another example?
Of course. Think about the word book. You can learn read a book, open the book, a good book, library book. When you learn words this way, you can use them right away when you speak or write. And try to use new words often. Write them down in a notebook. Say them out loud. The more you use them, the more you will remember them. Practice makes perfect.
Wow, George, these are very clear and helpful steps. I think our listeners will find these tips very easy to follow. So, to recap for our listeners, first, listen to English every day. Just listen to the sounds. Second, speak a little bit every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just try. And third, learn new words in groups, not just one word alone. It sounds like consistency is key, right, George?
Yes, Anna, precisely. Consistency, patience, and a willingness to try are the pillars of learning English. Every small step forward is progress. Don't give up. We are here to help you every step of the way.
Thank you so much, George, for these wonderful tips and for making it so easy to understand. This has been a fantastic first episode for our English Daily Hub. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us. Remember, your daily dose of English is just a click away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. We will have more simple and useful tips for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking.
Goodbye for now, everyone. See you next time.